I've had a couple of people ask some questions about how to burnish, which I wanted to just kind of jump on here real quick and show what that means and how to do it. And I'll show an example here. This is a dip powder that has a shimmer to it. I don't know, let's see if you can see it in the camera. It's got a blue shimmer. And I've gone ahead and swatched this powder using a gel liquid. And then this is the appearance when it's burnished. And so I'm going to show you how to get that look. And I also have a holographic glitter. And this is what it looks like when I burnished it. And so I just want to show you how I go about doing that. And the way I do it is with using a gel top coat, a no cleanse top coat. And for my swatch sticks, I use a brand called Gel-It. When I do it on my nails, I use Koopa. This is my favorite brand of gel liquids. So what I have here is, I have a swatch stick that has one layer of the purple powder on it. I'm gonna go ahead and do one more layer in the LED UV lamp. So we're gonna go ahead and put our gel liquid on it. I already did one coat and I wanted to make sure you could see on camera doing the second coat. Since we're using gel liquids, I do the pour over method with my dip powders, which means taking a spoon and just pouring over the powder. And the cure time for this powder, or for these liquids, is 30 seconds. So I'm going to put this swatch stick in for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to take this clear or new swatch stick and I'm going to show how to burnish with a glitter. So this is straight holographic glitter. This does not have any clear dipping powder in it. It's just straight glitter. So I'm going to go ahead and take my gel liquid and I'm going to top coat my swatch stick. And I'm going to cure this for half of the curing time. So the normal curing time is for 30 seconds, and so I'm going to cure it for 15 seconds. And I saw a tiny little bubble. I'm going to try to get that out so there's not a lump. There we go. And in the meantime, our other swatch stick is done. So I'm going to cure that one for 15 seconds. We're going to dust this one off. So that one's got 15 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and put our gel liquid here and then cure this one for 15 seconds. And then we're going to burnish it, the purple, on top of the purple. So you're burnishing it on top of itself. This is also what you would do if you had a chroming powder. It's the same process. So we'll go ahead and put this in for 15 seconds because we want half of the cure time. So we've got our 15-second clear here, and we're going to use our pink glitter. And so what we're going to do is we're going to stick our finger in it. You can also use a eyeshadow brush, excuse me, or wedge. Let me show you a wedge. I have a wedge here handy. Actually, let me show that to you. It's like a wedge applicator. You can stick that in and rub that. That one actually works pretty good. So you can just rub it in, and you can see how it's rubbing the glitter off, but leaving you with that beautiful shiny coat underneath. So there's that. And then what you do is you go in and put in your top coat, and that brings out this shine to it. There we go. And then we'll put that under the lamp for the full time, for the 30 seconds. And then coming back to our purple, this was under the lamp for 15 seconds, so it's a little bit tacky. So we're gonna clean off our, in fact, we'll just use our, this is a eyeshadow brush, so you can just stick it in there and then lay it on top, and then you start to rub it in. And this is the burnishing process. I'm just going to use the other side of the applicator sponge. So you're just rubbing that. Make sure we get any of that extra off. And then we'll go in with our top coat. And that shine is going to be gorgeous. Push that out of the way. There we go. Just kind of wipe that off. So I'm going to stick this underneath the lamp for the full 30 seconds. And then in the meantime, this one was done. So this was the burnished pink glitter. Now, one fun thing that you can do with burnishing the different colors, I did this one last night. I was looking at, I have some swatch sticks over here, and I had this color, this dark, deep red color, and I burnished this over this color and ended up with this color. So those two colors came from just burnishing this over that red. So you can come out with two different, completely different colors, which is pretty cool. So here's the purple burnished, and we'll compare that to the not burnished. So you can see it's got that blue shine on it. There you go. So that's burnishing your colors. And like I said, the process would be the same if you wanted to do this with a chrome powder. You just use your no cleanse top coat and you have at it. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching. Bye.